Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel, Data Science with Manoj. And today I'm going to share with you something. Like today I'm excited to share everything I learned on day one on my 100-day data science challenging. Starting a new journey is never easy, but the first step is always the most important. On day one, I focus on understanding Anaconda, which is one of the most popular platform for a data science. If you do not know about Anaconda, it is a software distribution that comes with Python, Jupyter Notebooks, Spider, and many useful library used in data science and machine learning. And it makes coding and package management much easier for beginner. First, I learned how to download, install Anaconda on my computer. This is an important step because it provides a complete environment for a Python program and data analyze. First of all, I want to show you uh, mm, and I want to show you mm, the website where I have download from. First of all, you have to download Anaconda. First of all, you have to click like Anaconda. Like if you have, here is that. If you click on the Anaconda option, you get this type of on your screen. After you click on the download Anaconda distribution, after clicking on this, you can see this skip registration. If you click on this skip registration, you get this window where you can download for your window, or if you want to download for your Mac, you can download from this. And if you want to download for your Linux, and you can download from here. So I have to and I have download for my Windows, so I have click on here, and I have already download this one, so I am not going to click on that option. And after that, you clicking on this, no, you have to set up, and to the setup you have to install on your computer laptop. So you have to do such things. You can check on the YouTube video step by step, so it's may help you for that. And after that, you can after this one, and after this one, the next command I some basic command promote terminal command that are useful for working and Anaconda. Understanding this command is very important because they help management. They help manage environment and packages. And I also learn how to install Pandas, and which one of the most powerful Python libraries of data analyze and handling dataset. The command I used was pipe install pandas. So I can show you that. So I have used that on my laptop. Wait a minute. I have click on from here, and this is the command. When I click on this, you can see this type of frame where I have already installed this type of packages. So so here, and it may take some times. After that, you can see this type of and you can see here is the downloading, and it will, and after that you completing the downloads. You can show on to your screen. You can see on your screen. Check on that video. After that, I can and I have also learned how to check the Anaconda environment, and I have also and also I can teach you that Conda, Conda, like. And after clicking on this, you can see here I have seen the like. Wait a moment, I will correct this one. Here is installation, so it's may take a times. So I have learned these things on day one, and I will share what I have learned on day two. And if you are also starting data science, keep learning on step at a time. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in day two of my challenges. Do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Support my journey. Thank you for your time.